I went into gastroenterology and medicine in general as a personal decision based on a situation that happened with my mother. She had had a massive GI bleed and nearly died. When I got to the intensive care unit, my mom had already received several units of blood, and the GI doctor had seen her and performed an upper endoscopy. He had treated a bleeding stomach ulcer and had saved her life. I was so grateful to him for this amazing service that he provided to my mom and our family, and I thought that there could be no better career to go into than gastroenterology. I see a lot of patients who just need colon cancer screening. I see patients who have gastroesophageal reflux disease, also known as heartburn, patients who have trouble swallowing, patients have trouble with their bowels, whether it be constipation or diarrhea. But I also see patients who have slightly more complex problems, such as a mass, say for example, in their pancreas, and maybe they need an endoscopic ultrasound. Also patients who have blockages in their esophagus. I stage cancer, whether it be in the rectum or in the esophagus. And I also remove early cancers through the scope to spare patients major operations. So a good example of that would be a patient who has an early esophageal cancer, and through the scope I can remove that cancer as long as it doesn't invade too deep into the wall of the esophagus, and then that patient can be endoscopically cured and they don't need any further esophagectomy or chemotherapy or radiation. They just need surveillance with me with regular upper endoscopy to make sure that there's no recurrence. I would want patients to know about me that I'm going to treat them just as I would want to be treated, or just as I would want a physician to treat my family members. When I'm not at work, I do have a few outside interests. Namely, I'm a member of the Vero Beach Rowing Association, and I like to row with some friends and colleagues. I did row in college and even before that in high school. I also enjoy spending time with my family. I have a husband and 2 daughters, and we just like to hang out outdoors, go to the beach, play soccer, play basketball, just stay active and enjoy this beautiful weather and community that we live in.